This dance is called Love You a Little More. 32 count, 4 walls. It's a high beginner level line dance. There are 3 restarts in this dance and 1 change of step. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, do a Dorothy step to your right and a Dorothy step to the left. Diagonal lock forward, diagonal lock forward. Make a pivot half turn to your left, stepping your right forward, pivot half turn. Continue a quarter turn to the left, step your right forward, pivot quarter turn. The weight is on the left. Let me show you with the count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Do a jazz box with a chassé. Cross, right over left. Cross, step back, side chassé. Mirror image to the left. Cross, back, side chassé. So section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. Do a quarter width to the left. Behind quarter, step your right forward, pivot half turn to the left and do a rock recover. Continue a back coaster on your right. Back together forward. So section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section. Ball step left with a toe diagonal facing the back. Diagonal point and ball step cross shuffle. Ball step cross shuffle. Side recover. Behind side hitch. That's the last section. So with the count will be and 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's the end of the dance. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in this dance, there are a few restarts. The restart will be at wall 2, wall 4, and wall 6. So for wall 2 and wall 6, the restart happens after 16 count. So let me show you wall 2 with the restart. Wall 2, you face 6 o'clock. So we do wall 2 first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the end of 16 count of wall 2. And you restart wall 3 from here, facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And you continue the dance. So similarly for wall 6, after 16 count, also a restart. So now, for wall 4, only after 8 count, there will be a restart. Wall 4, you'll be facing 3 o'clock. Let me show you wall 4 with the restart. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the first 8 count of wall 4, and you do a restart here for wall 5 facing 6 o'clock. So now for wall 8, there's a change of step. Let me show you wall 8 facing 9 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of doing the rock recover back coaster, from here you do a rocking chair. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is a change of step for wall 8. And you continue your dance here for wall 9. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, for the last wall, you'll be doing facing 3 o'clock. And there is a change of step during the second section. Let me show you the last wall facing 3 o'clock. Here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The last step, you cross over, do a half turn unwind to face 12 o'clock. Half turn unwind, and you can put your hand to make a heart shape. And then you finish the dance here. Okay, so it sounds a bit complicated, the dance, but if you know, listen to the music, and you'll be able to do the restart accordingly. So I hope you like this dance.